Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of InboxBoss. This is a cloud-based app that allows you to be able to write high-converting, compelling emails that you can send to your clients. So this is the app here. Okay, now writing compelling emails or converting emails is an essential part of marketing online. If you don't get this right, people aren't going to click through to your website, you're not going to get traffic, and so on. So making sure those emails convert, or getting as many people to convert through your emails, is a good idea. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your revenue online, and also it helps your business in multiple ways. Okay, so basically a thing a lot of people do is when they start writing emails, they either start from scratch or they copy and paste like a number of stuff that's already been pre-written that other people are using. So what InboxBoss does is it allows you to be able to compile your own individual email full of already built out good copywriting sort of things, depending on the niche that you're in. Okay, so here's all the different categories here. We got webinars, high ticket, upsell, product launch, lead magnet, service consulting, front end product. Okay, so these could be for lead magnet campaigns to get opt-ins, or people to register for your webinar with the webinars as well, or even higher ticket products too. So if we go through, we can see it does it step by step. So let's say you're launching a product. Let's click choose here. Okay, what I can do is I can select a pre-made avatar that I've already made about a business. However, I'm just going to click the plus button and just start from scratch. Okay, so what is the name of your campaign? Demo campaign. What niche is this market for? Make money online. 3 types of people that want to offer your targets. We could do make money online people, online marketers, and also let's just say affiliate marketing. Just some keywords there. What is the primary problem? Not making any money online. Define the problem here. Struggling to build an income. Okay, online. So you just go through and you answer all the questions that it has here. Now, I'm not going to bore you by making you watch me fill out every single form, so I'm just going to click next. So again, what is your specialty or expertise? So it walks you through, justifying yourself and your product. Okay, and it's very, very simple, easy questions to answer. Explain your passion for this product. Well, my passion in terms of, let's just say it's a make money online product, is the fact that I got out of my own job. I work for myself now, so this product helps you do that. And that is why I'm passionate about it, because it got me out of a job I hated. Something like that, you just write in all of these different things. Keep clicking next. The pain points and focus, so 3 present goals, more goals, dreams, and solutions. So you're starting to build out the compelling case in your email that are going to get people envisioning what they're going to get out of this. Okay, then you detail the offer. So it goes through here: tagline, name of the product, features, how it's delivered, types of discounts, all those sorts of things. Next, call to action, calls to action words, and then wrap up section. What is your name? Sam. Sam does business. Yeah, whatever. Okay, once I've done that, save and choose sequence. So now I've done this, I can either choose a complete new product sequence or a new product to warm an audience. So let's just go a new product sequence. Again, you can see, thank you for your offer. Your new product is here. Is it right for me? Less than 24 hours left, your last day. So a whole different scenario of emails. So let's go, is it right for me? Is a good way to get into it, to get people to convince themselves. So here it is. Here's the email sequence here, right within this chat, within this edit box. So I can go through and go edit it. So as you can see, because we just kept clicking next, it just put in just any sort of text. Okay, so we can go through and just edit those as well if we did see make success with MMO you deserve. So we'd go through and edit that, but it gives you a really good baseline for an email. From there, you can send it to an autoresponder if you've got your autoresponder hooked up. I don't have any hooked up, so it is a demo account, so you can send it direct to your autoresponder, and this is one that I'm sharing with a few other people as well to just check out the emails. So that is what you can do within this. Let's jump back over into this. As you can see, there's lots of different categories to go in. So service consulting, so if you're wanting to do service consulting, if we jump into there, as you can see, it uses slightly different questions. how to do it, and it'll generate different sorts of emails. Once you've done that, you can save the templates as well, so you can continue to go backwards back into it and edit it, or you can build full campaigns off that by selecting it as well. So very, very easy. Quite a cool way to be able to come up with email templates, email content that is already written to convert and is quite engaging as well. This is very, very handy for those of you who may struggle with writing out compelling email or copy or whatever, and may even be spending money on copywriters to write emails. I know it's something I really struggled with when I started online with writing, and I'm not ashamed to say I still have a hard time coming up with things sometimes. So solutions like these are very, very good to give you a good baseline to work off and tune off as well. So I encourage you to check it out in detail down below on the bonus page to find out more about InboxBoss. Get in during their launch period to get it at the best price possible. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you through the software here today.